Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Here is the layout or the background I've decided to use today. It is the first one. Here is the second one. I absolutely love this one so much. I'm not sure what I'm going to scrapbook with it yet, but I love that one. So the reason why I chose this one was because I'm going to do a little bit more stenciling because I do have a story to tell for this photo. So let's see what I can do. All right, guys, this layout comes together pretty quickly, and I will say that most of the time when I use one of these mixed media backgrounds that I make on a Sunday night, the layouts do go kind of quickly. And I think that that is because I generally really enjoy the backgrounds that I make on Sunday nights, and I kind of want them to be the star of the show, which is really exactly what is going on here as well. Now, my modeling paste is very clumpy and it's drying up. I just have not been using it a lot lately. So I did spray some water in there to kind of hopefully give it a little bit of longevity. So I've got that down. I'm going to peel it up. You can't really see it on the camera. The airplanes don't really show up great on camera. In person, you can totally see them though. Now, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Never Ending kit to wrap up this layout. Now, of course, my airplanes are not dry yet, so I am going to build my photo and matte off of the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it. So, hope that makes sense. I've got this kind of receipt-y looking thing, and then I've got the like the Instax photo frame, and I am just going to fill in that Instax photo frame with a green bit of wood grain paper. This travel notes really works well, but I don't want it to say travel with the pink. Wow, I just had a blank there. I didn't want it to say travel with the pink. So I went ahead and took care of that by cutting off the pink travel. And then instead of using the pink, I'm just going to use this green one right here. I am actually going to journal, and I'm just talking about how I was bussed out to a remote location to board my plane, and yeah, it wasn't like the most fun thing in the world, I guess, but that's okay. So I'm just going to get that journaling down there, and then I'm going to figure out the placement. Now, I toyed with the idea of adding some vellum underneath of this. That was my original plan. However, at the end, I just decided that the vellum wasn't really the direction that I want it to go here, so I'm going to nix that idea. However, I will put some fun foam behind here and go ahead and have that, because I do enjoy me some fun foam and lifting off the page. Plus, I think it's just going to give the layout that much extra. I mean, not that it needs any extra because there's a lot going on, but you know. And of course, I dropped my Nuvo Deluxe right into the glue, so I do what any self-respecting scrapbooker does and grabs another piece of fun foam to wipe the glue off the bottle. I mean, that's what I'm going to use the fun foam for anyways, glue. So it all works, right? Right. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.